simplification, to solve variety of questions. I will try to solve variety of questions using variety of models. I will use different methods to solve a problem. Listen carefully to every problem. I will use different methods to solve every problem depending upon the merit of the question. Depending upon the merit of the question and your practice. Take a concept which you think is the best. I will tell you how I will solve the problem which you think is the best. Different methods to solve a problem. The heroes of today's class are not the problems. The heroes of today's class are not the problems but the concepts. It is never problems in our class, but it is concepts. Are not the problems but concepts. Learn from every problem a beautiful concept. Right? So problems are playing just the examples to discuss a concept. Problems are nothing but the examples to discuss a concept. Problems are the examples to discuss a concept. Side heading, write down. Side heading, write down. Side heading, write down. Simplification, to solve. Simplification questions. To solve simplification questions. To solve simplification questions, the below are mandatory. You should know all this. Wherever any concept is there, I will discuss. The following things you should know mandatorily, otherwise you will take lot of time. One is speed calculation techniques. In case if any student is new, I will discuss the concept again. In simplification, the following concepts you should know. One is squares, another is square root, square root, cube root. You should know all this. Cube root, non-perfect square, non-perfect cube. These are all the concepts you should know. Otherwise you will fumble. Squares, square root, cube root, non-perfect square, non-perfect cube, percentages, percentage to fractions, Next is approximation. Next is the most beautiful concept. By the end of the class you will understand when to use a digital sum, when not to use a digital sum. You will get a clarity on all these concepts. Squares, square root, cube root, non-perfect square, non-perfect cube. Next is multiplication. Wherever necessary, I will discuss these concepts. These are mandatory requirements. If any of these concepts, if you do not know, then you will fumble. You will take more time to solve the question. And we are interested in solving the question in seconds. We will solve question by question. Please write down first question. Simha, you can be very casual with me. I am not responsible for the consequences. Right? Idea is to solve the question very less. Write down the first question. Original bank question. Root x plus 46 equivalent to root of 22801. Root x plus 46 equivalent to root of 22801. Original question. Write down the options. 10812, 10816, 10816, 11310, 11310. Listen carefully to every concept. 11025, 10314, 10314, 10314. This is the question. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 22801. X value. Find the x value. 10812, 10816, 11310, 110, 2510314. First A and C way of solving. I will discuss all the problems. Do not waste your time in saying the answers. My viewers will not reply also. Root x plus root y is a root of 22801. 46 is an even number. 22801 is an odd number. Root of an odd number will always be an odd number. Something plus even is odd, so root x is odd minus even number. Odd minus even number is odd number, so root x is an odd number. X will be an odd number. X will be an odd number. Answer is 11025. 10 seconds to solve the question. What if? I will discuss one by one models. Method 1. You will not get a single doubt. No need to ask me any doubt. I know where all you will get a doubt. Please write down. You will fall in love with aptitude, and my viewers knows that we will try to solve question in multiple ways. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 46 is an even number. This is an odd number. Root of odd number is always an odd number. Root x plus even is odd. Root x will be odd minus even. Root x is an odd number. X will also be an odd number. There is only one option, which is 11025. This is by using number tree concept. Write down model by model so that you will understand which concept to use one. Number tree concept. What if more than one answer option as an odd number? Everything we will discuss. By the end of the class, I will try to change the way you look at simplification. I hope it is clear, right sir? X is an odd number. Method 2. Please write down. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Write down every possible method so that right from the basics to the high level, right after the class, you can take a class to your friends also on simplification without absolutely any doubt. Root x plus 46 is 22801. This is 10812. This is 10816. It is not in determining the answer. I will tell you why other are right or wrong also. 11025 and 10314. Method 2. See here, root x is a perfect square. Root x is a perfect square. Are you all with me? For example, root 9. Root 9 is 3. 9 is 3 square. Root 16, it is 4. 16 is 4 square. Root 1521, which is 39. 1521 is 39 square. Another idea in the question, root x is a perfect square. First option is not possible. Why? Because perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square, write down the concept as it is. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So this is out. This is also out. This is also out. Why? Because any perfect square ending with 0, tens place should also be 0. 10 square 100, 20 square 400, 30 square 900, 40 square 1600. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place is only 0. Next one, it is ending with 4. 4 is 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144, 18 square is 324. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be an even number. Tens place should be an even number. But 1, 4, it is also eliminated. By knowing the perfect square logics, this is eliminated, this is eliminated, and this is eliminated. I hope it is clear. Right now we are stuck in two options. Suppose if more than one answer option, digital sum is same. Suppose if the option is 11052. 11052, right? These also is eliminated. These also is eliminated because perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now root x plus 46 is nothing but root of 22801. 22801. Now listen carefully. I hope it is right. Listen carefully. What is the unit digit of this number? Unit digit of this number is 1. Unit digit means this could be 9 or this could be 1, because 9 square is 81 or 11 square is 121. So root of 22801, answer will be either 9 or 1. This is 6. This is 6. This will be how much? This will be how much? 6 plus something. So if I take 5, root of 11025, root of 11025, unit digit is 5. So this unit digit is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Unit digit will be 1. So answer is root of 11025. Root of 11025. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 5 plus 6 is 1, right? Listen very carefully to every problem. Maybe in your coaching center some basic questions are discussed. It might work for few problems, but as you score it up, you will understand that what you are taught is very basic level. I hope it is clear. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. First option is out, right? C and E are out. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place will be either 10 square 100, 20 square 400, tens place will be zeros. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place will be even. First is out and third is out and fifth is out. First, third and fifth are out because of perfect square logics 10816 and 10. Suppose if I take 11025, unit digit is 5. 5 plus 6, it is nothing but 11. Unit digit is 1. This case is not possible. Why also it is not possible? By using answer option we will discuss. By using traditional method also we will discuss. Listen carefully again. Srishti, again I am explaining. Root x plus, listen carefully to every problem. Root x plus 46 is 22801. Unit digit is 1. If the unit digit is 1, unit digit of the number for which we are squaring should be 1 or 9, or square root of 1 could be 1 or 9. So it will be 1 or 9. What is the unit digit of this number? 6. So what will be the unit digit of this? This should be 5, right? Because 5 plus 6 only is 11. What is the only option with the unit digit 5? 11025. What is the only option? It is 11025. I hope it is clear. Model 1, Model 2, Model 3. Again I will tell you, the heroes of today's class is not the problems. We will take a problem, we will discuss concepts through problems, multiple concepts through problems. 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 square is 25. Model 3, please write down. Model 3 or method 3. Method 3. Not only this problem, any question in square root, if you find it in future, you should use this approach. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 22801. Options are 10812. Second option 10816. Third option 11310. Just because you got answer, do not feel so happy about it, right? You should know why the other 4 are incorrect. Then only you will feel extremely confident. Now see here, root of 22801. Listen carefully. 22801. In method 3, I am discussing how to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How will we come to know whether the number is a perfect square or not? Already I discussed in Speed Max. I will repeat it. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Back, repeat, may or may not be true. May or may not be true. may or may not be true. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse, every number with digital 1, 4, 7 or 9 may or may not be true. Suppose if it is root 13, it is a non-perfect square. It is a non-perfect square because even though the 13 digital sum is 4, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. I hope it is clear. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Suppose how to find the square root of a perfect square. Root of 22801. Listen carefully, sir. Root of 22801. Step number 1. Because it is a square root, keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Totally how many groups of 2 digits I got? 3 groups of 2 digits we got. That means answer should be a 3-digit number. Answer should be a 3-digit number. All these concepts are extremely helpful in the future. 22801, because it is square root, keep a slash after 2 digits. 2 digits, 2 digits. Right? So how many groups of 2 digits we got? 3. Answer will be a 3-digit number. Answer will be a 3-digit number. For example, if the question is 984064, keep a slash after 2 digits. Answer will be 3 digits. Suppose if the question is 108016, keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep a slash after 2 digits. So answer will have how many digits? 4 digits. Please write down this number. Do not miss any single concept. 4 digits. If it is nth root, take a group of n digits. If it is nth root, take a group of n digits. 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 I hope it is clear. It is square root, take a group of 2 digits. If it is third root, take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Concept by concept I will go. So what is the digital sum? I hope it is clear. Root of 22801. Is it clear? Is it back? Is it back? Kindly reply. Is it back? Shall I reply? Shall I continue? Raj Sharma, is it still buffering? Kindly reply. Kindly reply. If it is back, we will start the class. Root of 22801. Listen carefully to every concept. Keep a slash after 2 digits. After 2 digits. Now unit digit. Unit digit will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. It is ending with 1. If it is ending with 1, which all numbers are there? 1 or 9. So it will be 1 or it will be 9. I hope it is clear. 228. 228 lies between which two perfect squares? 15 square is 225 and the next number is 16 square is 256. 15 square 225, 16 square 256. Take the largest, smallest number. Smallest number is 151 or 159. We are stuck between 151 or 159. Now apply digital sum. Suppose if it is 22801, if it is 151. 22801, convert the square root into square. It is 151 square. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Digital sum in the left hand side is 13. Right hand side also. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 square is 49. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. I hope it is clear. So 4, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 square is 49. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. So root of 22801. Answer is 151. Answer is 151. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Root of 22801. Unit digit is 1. If the unit digit is 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square. Right? Hold on, Prashant. I discussed it for number of digits. I discussed it for number of digits. You are carrying it for how to find the value. Right? Listen carefully. Prashant, do not ask when I am discussing. I know where the doubt will come. Allow me to discuss in detail. Right? Root of 22801. If you want to find out the value, keep a slash after 2 digits. Unit digit is 1. 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 9. If you want to find the value, take the remaining number. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. 15 square 225, 16 square 256. Answer will be either 151 or 159. How to check which one is right? Use a digital sum concept. Root of 22801 is 151. 22801 is 151 square. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 digital sum is 4. Here also 151. 6 plus 7. 7 square is 49. 4 plus 9, 13, 4. So root of 22801. Root of 22801. Value is 151. So the answer will become, this is the traditional method. We should not use this traditional method. You are sitting in my class to learn my way of solving. This is 151. So root x is nothing but 105. Root x is nothing but 105. What is the answer we got? 11025. Listen carefully. So if I take 11025, is it offline, other students? Is it offline, sir? Is it offline? Is it offline, other students? Are you unable to? Are you unable to see? Please kindly reply. Viewers, kindly reply. Is it offline? Is it offline? Anurag, in case if you find it offline, just to hold for few seconds, you will be back. Is it offline? Should I continue? I think they are saying no, no point in discussing. 11025. 11025 is, keep a slash after 2 digits, it is 5. So 110 lies between 10 square 100 and 11 square 110. 11 square 110. So answer could be 105 or 105. Only one case we got. So answer is 105. One is even minus odd concept. Another is unit digit concept. Another is values concept. Another is values concept. Another is values concept. I hope it is clear. Another is values concept. Question number 1. Listen carefully. Question number 1. I discussed this question in 3 methods. I discussed this question in 3 methods. Again I am explaining. Method 1. Method 1 is even plus even is even. Even plus odd is odd. Odd plus odd is even. Very, very important. If you know after some problems, you will find it very, very easy. Odd plus even is odd. These method 1 and method 2 is unit digit logic. Method 2 is unit digit logic. Method 3 is finding the value. I will never use method 3. I will never use method 3 without using. I will never use method 3 without using method 1 and 2. This I will use it only after method 1, only after method 2. Method 1 and method 2 fails, then only I will go to method 3. Then only I will go to method 3. Please make a note of it. There is one more method which we will discuss. Before that, write down acid test. I will come what is acid test before you do method 1 and 2. There is a way to solve simplification. If you solve only in that way, you will get the answer very, very fast. You will get the answer very, very fast. There is an acid test. Right, Raj Sharma? When I will discuss with a flow, you know my flow, right? No request. Just now we started the problem. Allow me to discuss all the models. I hope it is clear. First question, I hope it is clear. Second, question 2. Question 2. Please write down. Question 2. Question 2. What is this acid test? Please write down question 2. Another competitive exam question. What all people will do, sir? 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. Options 451, 461, 471, 451, 461, 471 and 481. Exact options. If I solve this question, it takes 5 seconds for me to solve the question. Answer is directly 461. Answer is directly 461. Logic is like this. Logic is 1. Suppose if it is 11 into 12 into 10, which is nothing but 1320. 1320. Any number multiplied by 10. 20 is a multiple of 10. Unit digit will be 0. What is the tens place? Tens place is the product of the remaining unit digits. What is the product of the remaining unit digits? 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Tens place should be 6. Tens place should be 6. Stupid answer options. Only one option has got tens place 6. Tens place is 6. This is logic 1. You will solve simplification question in less than 30 seconds if you follow all the problems. Logic 2. Logic 2. 5 seconds problem. Logic 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Remove the square root. 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. Put the answer options. If I put the first option square root, if I remove, I will get square. I will get square. Right? So 1 plus Mayur, please allow me to solve the problem, sir. 20, what is the digital sum? 2, 21, 3, 22, 4, 25, 23, 5, 20, 60, 120, 121, 121. Digital sum is 4. Answer digital sum should be 4. 451, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is 1, 1 square is 1. Suppose if I keep the second option, 461 square, 4 plus 6, 10, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, right? 11 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. Muthu and Mayur, you both don't have patience. What am I explaining? What you are doing? 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. I removed the square root and I said it is 461 square. 461 square. 461 square. 461 square. I removed the tens place. Right? I hope it is clear, right, sir? Because unfortunately not many students are taught basic concepts, you are struggling. Note, please write down. Note, please write down. Square root of n. Square root of n. It is a perfect square. square root of n, it is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 1, 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 19 square 361, 21 square 441, 29 square 841. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place has to be even. So this is out and this is out. Two options, check by using a digital sum. Check by using a digital sum. Muthu and Mayur, root of 6 square is 30. Root of 36 is 6 beta. Right? So you try to do 461 into 461. You will come to know what is the logic. Right? Explain. Right, Tabasum, listen carefully. Square root of 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. Root of 9 is 3. 9 equivalent to 3 square. Remove the square root. If I remove the square root, answer will be square. So 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. 1 plus 20 digital sum is 2. 21 digital sum is 3. 22 it is 4. 23 it is 5. 1 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 20. 24 5s are 120. 121 digital sum is 4. But I want digital sum 6. 461 square. 460 digital sum 4 I want, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is 4. I hope it is clear. Understood the logic beta? It is like this. I solved Mayur. 1 plus 20 into 21 into 22 into 23. I removed it beta. So it will be 461 square I wrote. Why the tens digit? 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. It is 0, 0, 6 plus 1. It has to be 61. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Second question, third question. I hope it is clear. Every question, there are some concepts which we are discussing. Third one, this is taken from an IBPS question. 625 minus 22 square. Right? 625 minus 22 square plus 95 equivalent to x square minus 88. One student from Kanpur, he has sent this question. Sir, can you please solve it? In my institute, I go for some Mahendra's bank coaching center. They taught me 10-step solution. Can you please tell me the answer in the shortest way? 625 minus 22 square plus 95 is x square minus 88. Find the value of x square. Stupid question it is. X square means a number multiplied by itself. It is a perfect square. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 16 cannot be subtracted from 88. 16 cannot be subtracted from 88. I will get 16 minus 88. I will get minus 72. So 625 plus 95 is 720. Minus 22 square, if it comes, the value is not matching. This is also not matching. This is also a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. X square 16. Suppose if you do x square 144, try to check it out. 144 minus 88 is 12 less than 100. 144 is 44 more than 100. So here it is 12. So it is 56. 56 plus 484. It is not 720. Over answer. How much time it takes? 324. How much time it takes? 324. Right? 625 minus 22 square plus 95 is x square minus 88. Write down the logic in every question. Right? A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So 18 is out. 12 is out. Substitute 16. Check whether 625 plus 95 is 720. 16 minus 88 is minus 72. 484 minus 72 is not this value. Check with 144. Idea clear? This is method 1. Method 1. Method 1. Idea clear, right sir? Method 2. Please write down. Method 2. Method 2. Shruti, it is simple. It is x square, Shrutis. X square is a perfect square. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. New world, have little patience. I will go method by method. Right? Method 1. I hope it is clear. Right? Method 1. My role is to teach you multiple methods. You will take what you think is comfortable. I am not here to tell, please take this method, practice more and decide what you think is good. I will never tell you that this method is the best method. It all depends upon your practice. It all depends upon your practice. Method 2. Play with the unit digit. Play with the unit digit. Play with the unit digit. 625. Unit digit is 5. 2 square it is 4 and it is 5. 5 minus 4 1. 1 plus 5 6. Unit digit in the left hand side is 6. Unit digit in the left hand side is 6. So what is the answer? I took 324 minus 88. So 4 will go in 8. 4 will not go in 8. 10 carried. 14 minus 8 is 6. So answer is 324. 324. I hope it is clear. If I take the first option, 18 minus 88, 8 minus 8, I will get 0. If I take the second option, 12 minus 88, so 12 minus 2 will not go, it is 4. First option out, second option out. Right? 144 and 324 already we did. 144 is incorrect because the left hand side is not matching with right hand side. Method 2 is unit digit. Method 2 is unit digit logic. Method 2 is unit digit logic. Sharath, stop explaining the logics. In case if you know everything, you can leave the class. Selva, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square digital sum is 1, 4, 7 or 9. There are lot of new students who are listening to the class. You might be today 1 or 2 steps ahead, but with practice my students will come closer to you. Right? I already explained, right, Geetanjan. Right? 324 I picked it out from the answer option. Answer options are there, right? Answer options are there, right, beta? What are the answer options? 324, next is 18, next is 12, next is 144, next is 16. I picked out 324. Right? How to check whether it is 144 is incorrect or not? Please write down method 3. Valid doubts only I will take. What if 144 is also there? Method 1 is perfect square logic. Method 2 is unit digit logic. Method 3 is depending upon the question. These are all the tools which you will use to get the answer fast. Digital sum logic. Sometimes digital sum, if it gives you more than one answer, you will go to unit digit. If unit digit is giving you more than one answer, like this question, you will go to digital sum logic. Right? 625 minus 22 square plus 95 equivalent to x square minus 88. Options are given: 324, 18, 12, 144, 16. Digital sum is sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 is 4. It is 4 minus 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 is 7. 95. 5 plus 9. 14. It is 5. So what is plus? 88 equivalent to x square. 88 is nothing but 7. 8 plus 8, 7. These over. 4 plus 5 is 9. X square should give you 9. So we are stuck with 324 and 144. Both are giving you digital sum 9. So in this method, what is the best method to solve? One is perfect square logic is the best method. I hope the idea is clear. Perfect square logic is the best method, because by using that logic we are able to eliminate that 144 is incorrect, because by substituting 144, left hand side is not becoming right hand equivalent to right hand side. Raju, I hope it is clear. That is the reason, Sharath, I said do not say digital sum so fast, it might give you more than one answer option. Now all the students will understand why I discussed three models. One is perfect square logic, another is unit digit logic, another is digital sum logic. Another is digital sum logic. I hope it is clear, Raju. Idea is clear, right, sir? It all depends upon the question. It all depends upon the question. Write down third question. Write down third question. Remember these flow chart. If any teacher is teaching you write simplification, please tell them this flow chart also. First I will check either the digital sum logic, or any of the perfect square or perfect cube logic. Please write down this. It depends upon the merit of the question, right? We cannot decide, right? If I ask you a question, which food you like, right? Which food you like the most depends upon your choice, right? My choice is, if you ask me, I like chicken biryani. But can I say that your best food is chicken biryani? It is relative. It depends upon at what level you are there. It depends upon the merit of the question, beta. Please write down. You will use unit digit logic. These are all the tools. Depending upon the question, you will use any of these tools. Some tools will be the best for some problems. Digital sum logic, perfect square or perfect cube, or number system logic. Please write down this. Number system logic, or you will use unit digit logic. Fourth is, if none of these is working, you will use the necessary calculations. If none of the four is working, you will skip the question if it is taking more time. All you will solve the question in round 3. Please make a note of this. These are the checkpoints. These are the tools which you will use. These are the tools which you will use. Just now we started the problem. Slowly you will understand which method to use, Rahul. At the beginning I am not saying which method is the best method. Slowly you will understand in approximation why digital sum is not the best method. Use the digital sum logic, or the perfect square, perfect cube logic, or unit digit logic, or the generic calculations. If 4 is not getting you, solve the question in round number 3. Solve the question in round number 3. Now, please write down one more question. Write down one more question. Write down one more question. Again an SBI 2018 right mock question. These are some of the questions my kids are asking, my enrolled students are asking. 55% of 600 plus root x equivalent to 63% of 700 minus 14% of 600. By the end of the class you will get which logic to use. Write down options. Option is 754, next is 784, next is 584, next is 729, next is 28. 55% of 600 plus root x equivalent to 63% of 700 minus 14% of 600. Step number 1, because it is a root x is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be even. 8 square 64, 12 square 144. Any perfect square 584. What is the digital sum of a perfect square? Right, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 4 17. What is the digital sum here? 8. A perfect square will have digital sum 1 4 7 or 9. This is eliminated. A perfect square never ends with 2 3 7 or 8. Only we are stuck between Only we are stuck between these two logics. I hope it is clear. These two logics. Is it clear? Now we are stuck between 784 or 729. Listen carefully, sir. All you have to do is just listen. 55% by 100 means these eliminated. 55 into 6. Any number multiplied by even, it is an even number. This is also an even number. 63 into 7, it is an odd number. What is odd minus even? It is odd. So even plus root x equivalent to odd. Root x is nothing but odd minus even, it is odd. So answer should be an odd number, 729. Beautiful question. Right? Praveen, unit digit will work when decimal numbers also. I will take a question. Gagan, already the strategy sheet is already sent to the enrolled students. In case if you are a free student, you might not get it. I have already sent it to a paid students and a few free students few days before, right? Ankita, why not 584? 584, what is the digital sum, Ankita? 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. 17, what is the digital sum? 8. Already we discussed a perfect square digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. All these concepts from April 16th close to 100 hours of classes. 100 hours my students have been listening to the classes. Right? Answer is 729. Each and every question, each and every statement, whatever I am saying, please listen carefully. You will not find all these variety of concepts in a single class. Listen carefully to every problem. Digital sum also you can use it, you will get the same answer, beta. Try to use it, you will get the same answer. Right? Put everything and square root, try to change it into squares. Try to change it into squares, which I discussed. Logic, please write down one more question. Every question, beautiful ways of solving the question. I hope it is clear. One student has asked me, student preparing for CAT, sir, I am facing a lot of problem in DI problems. Please help me. DI is the easiest section. If you get DI problems, consider yourself lucky. Because you have not got a good teacher, you are thinking that DI is a very, very tough. But actually it is very, very easy. 133.4, 126.4, 120.4. A CAT student from NIT has asked me a question. 123.4. He is from NIT Warangal. His name is Sirish. Sirish, this for you, beta. 32.8% of 750 plus x equivalent to 122.6. The best way to solve this question is digital sum. After some time, I will tell you, right, how to solve. Right, when to use a digital sum, when not to use a digital sum. Mayur, I will explain, beta. This is the first time I am warning you. I know what are all the doubts a student will get it. You think I am a 22 or a 23-year-old who is teaching to impress students? You are listening to an author who wrote 12 mathematical books. You are listening to a person who was the academic head of Career Launcher at the age of 26. I taught 350 plus batches. I know when the students will get doubt. Have patience. Have patience. When I say have patience, I know. Trust my 14 years of experience. It is not like some person who taught some tricks and put a random YouTube videos. A research has gone from past 14 years. I used to take a flight, go to IIT Delhi, then Madras, then Kanpur and take classes. Have patience. Digital sum. When I am explaining a concept, don't interrupt. I told 10 times. Again the same thing is happening. Use a digital sum. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 is 4. 4 into 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 digital sum is 2. This is 2. 4 plus 3 is 12. 12 digital sum is 3. 3 plus x is 2. X is 2 minus 3 minus 1 If you get a digital sum minus 1, add 9 to it. 9 minus 1 is 8. Answer digital sum. Answer digital sum. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1. Right? Idea clear? Digital sum should be 8. Again I am explaining. Right? 32. 32. 32 is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus... I will explain, Raju. Can't you wait? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. Digital sum is 4. 750 is 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus x equivalent 2. Right? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 digital sum to be 2. 11 digital sum is 2. 4 3s are 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus x is 2. X will be minus 1. 9 1s are 9. Digital sum is 4. 9 2s are 18. Minus 5. Whenever you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator. 9 minus 5 is 5. Whenever you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator 5. Add with the denominator 5. Denominator 5. I think many are listening to the class for the first time. Right? 4 3s are 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Again I am explaining. Listen carefully. Till a problem is solved, don't ask a doubt. Right? 4 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus x is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, 2. X is minus 1. Whenever you get a negative remainder, to convert into positive remainder, then to get into positive remainder, add 9, because the digital sum is, please write down this point, digital sum of a number is, digital sum of a number is, digital sum of a number is, divide the number by 9. Digital sum of a number is, remainder when you divide a number by 9. Write down. Write down. Right? Lakshmikant, I am explaining your doubt only, beta. Right? Randomly, whenever you are free, you come and listen to the class and ask your doubts. I am sorry, I am not like any other YouTube live class. I am here to discuss all the varieties. Old students are there, they have listened 80 to 100 hours, they might get bored. I cannot leave my 200 plus old students for the sake of 1 or 2 new students. Check which answer option is digital sum 8. Check which answer option is digital sum 8. If no option is digital sum 8, then keep the answer as none of this. Keep the answer as none of this. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Idea clear? Yes or no? Idea clear? If no answer option digital sum is 8, click tick mark the answer. One more option, keep it as none of this. None of this. I hope it is clear. If answer option digital sum should be 8. Anybody got a doubt? Anybody got a doubt? We will solve more and more problems. Raju, if you get 0, it is nothing but 9. Digital sum cannot be 0, beta. 0 is called as in digital root, which I explained a few days before. It is in digital root, 9 is in digital sum. 9 is in digital sum. One more question, please take it. One more question, please take it. Then we will discuss. Then we will discuss. Take one more question. Take one more question. For 6% of. This for you, Anurag. It will be clear. 6% of. Narendra, still I did not discuss approximation. Still I am in the basic and the intermediate level. Have patience. 7430, 7530. Everything student wants so fast. You have not studied second class, third class, fourth class. Directly from UKG, you want to get into IIT preparation. It is not going to happen. And I will not discuss. Just now simplification started 40 minutes before. Students want advanced level question. It is not going to happen. 6% of 1,25,500. Listen carefully. 6 by 100 into 1,25,500. Again I am saying the hero of today's class is not the answers but the concepts you will learn. Learn the concepts first, then we will come back. 6 into 1,255. Vijay, have patience. Digital sum is 6. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 digital sum is 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. Answer, digital sum is 6. Here also it is 6. Here also it is 6. Here also it is 6. If you want only me to explain the answer, I am not going to do it. I am going to explain why another option is incorrect. So 6 into 1,255. If two options have got that same digital sum, if two options, please write down that statement. If two options has got the same digital sum, there are some approaches which we need to learn. Let us learn that approach. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 33. 30 plus 3 33. Tens place should be 3, but tens place is 5. Eliminate it. Eliminate it. Slowly, it is thematic based learning. Slowly from basics, intermediate, advanced level. Basics, intermediate, advanced level. 6% is 6 by 100 into 1,25,500. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 6 into 1,255. 6 into 1,255. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 digital sum is 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 plus 4 is, right, 6. Digital sum is 6. Right? So digital sum is 6. Answer, digital sum should be 6. 7 5 3 0. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 3 15. 1 plus 5 6. 7 3 5 0. Digital sum is 6. If more than one answer option, digital sum is 6. 6 into 1,255. Use tens place logic. Use tens place logic. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.